Hi there, thank you for joining us here at PhillipCapital's Market Watch. This is Jun Kit from Phillip Nova. Today, we will be looking at the drivers behind the Japanese yen's weakness against the US dollar, as well as be looking at technical analysis to project the upcoming moves of the dollar-yen pair. In addition, I will also share in detail a powerful tool on Phillip MetaTrader 5 that will elevate your trading experience. The Japanese yen has been the worst performing major currency against the US dollar in the past week, losing around 9% since the start of the March, when the US dollar JPY pair hit more than a 6-year high at the start of this week. The pair's advance could be attributed to the strength of the US dollar, as well as the weakness in the Japanese yen, driven by fundamental reasons. The US dollar index, the XY, which gauges the greenback strength against the basket of rival currencies, is attempting to break its highest point since May 2020, floating above 99. One of the major drivers of the Japanese yen's weakness against the greenback would be the increasingly diverging monetary policy stances between the Bank of Japan and the US Federal Reserve. The Bank of Japan's current guidance allows its 10-year yield to move flexibly around the 0% target and has set a ceiling at 0.25%. As investors have priced in the potential aggressive rate hikes by the Fed throughout the year, the 10-year Japanese government bond yield has been inching up in tandem with a rise in the US long-term interest rates. In BOJ's effort to defend its 0.25% yield cap, the central bank offered on Monday to buy an unlimited amount of government bonds for the first 4 days of the week starting 28th of March. Following the dovish monetary policy stance that BOJ has long held, this repeated gesture, which signals toward expanding money supply, has sent the yen lower. The easy monetary policy stance by the BOJ paints a stark contrast with the hawkish US Fed, which has commenced its tightening cycle this month. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said last week that the central bank must move expeditiously to raise rates and possibly move aggressively. In the face of strong labor market and sky-high inflation in the US, markets are expecting a 50 basis point rate hike this year in the next two meetings, higher than the 25 basis points hike in March. The hawkish expectation will continue to bolster the greenback. Looking at the money chart, the US dollar JPY has met the breakout target from a falling wedge formation around 123. The longer-term 50 exponential moving average, also known as 50 EMA, has crossed above the shorter-term 20 EMA, suggesting the potential continuation of the uptrend. The moving average convergence divergence (MACD) indicator displays a bullish momentum with the histogram in the positive region and above the signal line. The RSI is currently in overbought region above 70, indicating a possible retracement to retest support. Looking ahead, the trend for the dollar-yen pair remains bullish, but we anticipate the pair to retrace and retest previous resistance turn support levels at 121.6 and 118.66 before further advance. In terms of potential upside, the next resistance lies at 125.853, which is the 2015 high. If this level is breached, the next target will be 135.19, which is the pair's historic high in 2002. If you are a forex trader, we would like to introduce you to Acuity Signal Center, the newest addition to our suite of powerful trading tools on Phillip MetaTrader 5. Acuity Signal Center, which is directly integrated as a plugin on the MT5 platform, utilizes AI technology in combination with analyst assessments to generate actionable trading ideas with projected entry and exit levels that can be directly copied into your trading ticket. Each trading idea is monitored for quality and accompanied with a confidence level based on historical success. The plugin can be found on Phillip Nova website, and the good news is the installation process only takes a minute. Phillip MetaTrader 5 offers zero commission trading and tight spreads across our diverse product offerings, ranging from forex, precious metals, CFDs on global indices, shares, commodities, and more. Beyond that, all MT5 clients also get to use a suite of our tools, such as the Acuity Signal Center, for free. And that's all for PhillipCapital's Market Watch. Do remember to like and follow us on social media and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thank you for joining us here. Leave your comments below, and we hope to see you soon.